Kevin made me walk all the way up here. Alright, he's gonna climb it and go. Oh yeah. Alright, I don't want to make him, I don't know. So, stand right here because he'll probably go that way. Go. Vertigo, vertigo. Woo! Vertigo, 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 vertigo. Alright, he might be a little scared because I'm up here now. Not really. He's a big boy, tough boy.